In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or close your Barclays account. We'll move through the process from preparation to completion so you can shut your account down smoothly and avoid unexpected charges or delays. First, get the account ready to be closed by moving any remaining money to another active account in your name. Choose where you want the funds to go, then make the transfer and wait for it to fully clear. It's a good idea to double check for any pending card transactions or incoming credits like refunds that haven't landed yet. If something is still pending, give it a little time to settle before you complete the closure so nothing gets stuck or bounced. Next, cancel all direct debits and standing orders linked to the account. Direct debits are payments a company pulls from your account, like subscriptions or utility bills. Standing orders are payments you set up to send on a schedule, such as rent to a landlord. You can usually review and cancel both in your Barclays app or online banking. Cancelling them in advance protects you from last-minute charges and ensures nothing tries to leave the account after it's closed. If you're unsure what a payment is, look it up before cancelling to avoid missing something important. After that, choose how you want to close the account. If the Barclays app shows a close account option for your account type, you can follow the on-screen steps there. The app will guide you through confirmations and remind you to move your balance and cancel regular payments. If you prefer to speak to someone, call Barclays telephone banking and request account closure. Have your account details ready, answer the security questions, and ask the advisor to close the account. They'll let you know if anything else is needed and confirm when the request has been submitted. You can also visit a Barclays branch with a valid photo ID and ask a staff member to close your account. They'll verify your identity, check that your balance is moved and your regular payments are cancelled, and then process the request for you. For savings accounts, many can be closed through online banking. In some cases, you might be asked to complete an account closure form, and online banking will explain how to submit it. Once your request is processed, Barclays may post you a final statement. Keep this for your records in case you need proof of closure or a year-end summary. And that's it, your Barclays account will be successfully closed.